Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making some mozzarella bites. And I was in the middle of eating right here, but I just wanted to show y'all this cheese pull, and it was freaking fire. So I'm going to be starting off by taking some fresh mozzarella, and I'm just going to be cutting those into bite-sized pieces. And I am just going to try to roll them out to soften up that edge so it won't be like a triangle, it'll be more rounded. Okay, so now we're going to season our wet, dry, and breadcrumbs. And I'm using my Flavor Gods, Italian zest, and the garlic clovers. And I'm just sprinkling that in the wet and the dry batter. And I didn't put any seasoning in the breadcrumbs only because it's already seasoned. But I would recommend using a little bit of seasoning salt, or like Tony's or something like that, because that wasn't enough seasoning for me and my liking, but it's completely up to you. Yeah, I was too lazy to grab another fork or a spoon to mix that flour, so I used the end of my fork. But anyways, yeah, this is the breadcrumbs that I'm using, and it is the Italian style. And I didn't, like I said, I didn't add any seasoning salt or any seasoning period, because it's already seasoned with, I guess, Italian seasoning. But like I said earlier, add you a little bit of Tony's, like some seasoning salt. So we're just going to be taking our mozzarella bites, dropping those in the flour first, and then we're going to take that and drop them in our egg mix. And then coat those really well. You can let them sit there for a few seconds so they can soak up all that egg. And then you want to take those out of there and put them in your breadcrumbs. And you want to repeat this process twice. So after I get my mozzarella bites all coated, you want to keep them in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour and deep fry them. You don't want to go straight into deep frying because it will make a mess. Trust me, I've done that and don't do it. And this is what they look like coming out of the deep fryer. Got my little marinara sauce. You can use whatever marinara sauce that you like. And I'm just putting some fresh basil on top just to make it look pretty. I am also going to go in with some more cheese, like we don't have enough cheese already. I'm using a 4 cheese mix. And this is what they look like after they are all nicely garnished. They are so nice and they were so good. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.